everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and my name is Pam. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So as you already read the title, this video is all about Amazon haul. I shopped it's around 3 tops. It's a sweatshirt which I shopped from Amazon, so I wanted to share a try on and review the quality, everything about the 3 sweatshirts. And there are some accessories and some storage organizing items which I shop from Amazon, so I wanted to share my review as well. And I also linked these products in my Amazon shop, the storefront, so please do check that out. Whatever products I have purchased from Amazon, there is this shop front which I have linked in my description box below. So if you click on that, you will see all my items and also an image about the products over there and my review, so you can check and shop from there as well. And those will be affiliate links, so I will definitely earn a small amount of commission if you shop from my storefront, so don't forget to check those out. So first of all, let me start with this lipstick. So this is a shade from Maybelline and More Truffle 999. It's a beautiful, I think it's a crayon. This comes in this kind of packaging. This is their new launch and I love this shade. It's a perfect shade for fall, winter. Let me know in a comment section if you're one of them, if brown is also your favorite shade. I love brown lipsticks. It's definitely, this is like one swipe application. It is a lovely color in like one swipe, as well as this, and this is definitely the long lasting, because yesterday also I wore this in the morning. I applied this and it almost stayed till the lunchtime, like till 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, and after lunch definitely it fades away, but I don't mind applying it again. So this is just for $6. Okay, so now first let's start with the favorite part. It's the clothing haul. So I will start with my 3 sweatshirts what I have here. So let me start with my first favorite one out of these 3. This is Gabby boat neck bat wing sleeves dolman knitted sweaters and pullovers top for women, and they have so many colors. I think it is more than 15 colors in green, in white, black, and 2 color duo color shades, yellow, so purity nude pink shades. I like this in nude brown, beige, whatever you say, khaki color. I'll exactly mention in the description box what shade is this, so I will link the product below. So it comes in this kind of sleeves. It's very stretchable, and it's like this. It comes in boat neck. I'll add a picture somewhere. So this is my favorite because I really love the quality of this, and it's so soft on skin, and it's also stretchable. It definitely gives you that warmth, perfect for winter as well. If you style it with a coat, black coat, it is going to look so nice. And there is this thing below where you can just fold it inside or leave it as it is. This is going to look very nice on everybody. The price of this is $29, and I think there was no discount. I am not sure. I mentioned somewhere on the screen. The second one is this. This is from by Pretty Garden, women's knit sweater long sleeve crew neck color block fall cute pullover sweaters. They have this in 4 or 5 shades. I took this which is in pink and white color, dark pink, little lighter pink, and then there is white, and then there is pink. So I would give like 8 out of 10. But this is also very soft, and it's like, look, it's a complete woolen, but this will not save you from winter. Definitely you need to wear a t-shirt inside this if you're planning to wear this during winter. Other summer, this is very nice. It's very soft on skin, body hugging, and it's very comfortable. And this was also not very tight for me. I have this in the shade M. I will share a try on. Definitely recommend. Very nice quality. I really like the color pink, and perfect for everyday wear. This was for $25, and I don't know if there was any offer going on, but I will link down below. The third one is this. This is in 4 colors: green, white, black, and yellow. Cape Leon women's casual sweater pull over winter basic sweatshirt, long sleeve cozy knitted jumper, tops loose fit. My god, that was a name. And they have this in so many colors, like this is in green, yellow and white. They have in black and yellow, they have in green and yellow. I really like this also quality. This is similar to the same one, the Pretty Garden one, and this is also very nice, very loose, soft. I liked it. I have also shared these 3 try-ons separately on my Instagram page as well, so you can check that out. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow my IDs, just chill with Pam, where I create some different content and reels there. I'm sure you're gonna love it, so check down the link below. So this is also very nice and comfortable. This is for $28. Okay, now tops haul is over. Now let's go to the accessories. The first thing I wanted to try is, now during winter I have very dry foot, so I'm sure there are so many ladies out there, especially even my mom, her feet, she gets cracked feet the whole year. It's not like only winter. So mine is also similar. So I took this, which is by Pre-Tech rechargeable callus remover. I used it once and this was so nice. This is also shows it's a waterproof. It also have a wire charging thing, which you can use it on your laptop and also use it without a battery. I didn't find any battery inside this, but you need to charge and you need to put this up, and then there is a sound, and it gave such a nice smooth skin. My leg was never like that. You can just remove this and fit this if you want a little harder. If your skin is more dry, you can just use this, and it scrapes out all your dead skin and dry skin and leaves a smooth skin. And right after the scraping, and you can just wash your feet and then apply your any kind of moisturizer or foot cream if you have. And then it comes with this kind of cover, so you can store it in your drawer and this won't get spoiled. They also have this instruction pamphlet, and it comes with a cloth bag. This was attached. So total 3. They had this blade or whatever you say, the scraping machine thing, the stone. So it comes with this, as well as they also provided with the charger thing, so you can easily charge her. And to clean, if there is dry, you can just clean it with the small brush they provide. So all this comes in this box. This was for price $25 and I got it just for $18, so it is going on a great deal. Go ahead and buy this, guys. This is going to be very useful throughout the year for guys, for girls, for women, men. Dry skin, amazing, waterproof as well. So I would definitely recommend. Please do let me know in the comment section if you want me to show a tutorial, a separate video on how to use this. I would be really happy to share with you guys. So let me know in the comment section. This is for $25. You'll get it for $18. So go ahead and check it out, and also let me know in the comment section. Okay, so the next is a small table, which is a foldable table. Yeska TV tray. You can keep it's showing as TV table, dinner table, folding table, anything, but I'm just using it for my content. Like I use it for my reels. If I can even use this table if I want to create any content for my backyard, I can just carry this table there. So it's very light. The price of this was around $32. I don't know if I got any kind of discount, but I'll definitely share with you all if I got it. So other 2 products which I have, it's kind of organization in my bathroom. Actually I used it. You can even use it in your dressing table. One is little thinner, slimmer size, and one little broader one. The broader one I just kept my husband's skincare products because that's only he have. I have the studio room, so I have so many skincare products in this room. So I just kept few, like a toner, moisturizer, a lip balm, which I need morning right after my face wash. So I kept some products there. So on the thinner one, it was very easy to assemble. The direction is also mentioned. There are some hooks also where you can just hang in some brushes or bathroom fragrance or anything you want to hang it, you can. And yeah, the quality both was amazing. You just need to assemble. It came in pieces, so it's very easy to fix it as well. I really like, and it gave my bathroom so much space now, and it looks much better right now. So I would definitely recommend check these two out. I'm going to share the link in my description box, and I'll share somewhere a picture on the screen as well. So guys, let me know in the comment section which is your favorite top or items which I purchased in this haul. I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button guys, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. It will really help me and my channel grow and motivate me to make more such videos. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share my videos as well to all your friends and family. Follow me on Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam, where I create some different content there. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.